Let's see if we can get some better pictures of this place than we've got on our net. Alright, Ford looks good. I think the challenge that she had with her lighting, you've got a whole lot of natural light coming in off the bay. And a folding door, a huge amount of closet and storage space. Now, isn't that interesting? Okay, looks like they just boxed it off. Get some lighting here. Right off the main entrance. And then you've got mirrors to highlight the bay on two of the walls. Let's see what kind of view you get. Good sized balcony. Don't mind the snow. It's only here for a couple of days a year, if that. But a good sized balcony. And there's your view. Even if they build next door, it's going to be unobstructed. You get a phenomenal view of the bay all the way around. And you overlook the tennis courts and the pool. You got a private catwalk down there. See if I can zoom in. That one doesn't go all the way to the beach. You've got a walkway that goes to the beach over here, and a walkway that goes to the beach over there.